We're going to combine these two images in a new way, and this collage technique is really, really wonderful. You can see that I already have my background, and I've selected, copied, and pasted just a full image on top. And we're going to use a new technique called the layer mask. Here in the layers panel, at the very bottom, one of the options right here is the layer mask. So if we click this, a new kind of white box shows up beside our layer. And if you look closely, you'll see that there's little corner handles telling you that this is what is selected. Now to use the layer mask, we're going to use the gradient tool, and we're going to make sure we have default black and white colors. And at the very top in the options bar, we're going to choose a linear gradient. So now, all we do is come onto the image. We're going to press and hold the mouse down. And because I want to go only in a straight line, I'm going to hold the shift on the keyboard. So let's drag downward. And once we let go, you'll see that the whole bottom half of the top image disappears. If we look in the layers panel, you'll see in the gradient layer mask, where the mask is now white, you see the top image, and where the mask is black, you see the bottom image. And of course, the soft transition between the two, the gradient between the two, makes it very smooth. Now, if you don't like this and you want to redo it, there's no need to undo. We can just redo this technique, and you can try a shorter gradient and a longer gradient and see what happens. Okay, I like that. Now I want to go ahead and move my top image because I see a little bit of the sky of the bottom image. So I need to click in the layers panel on the icon of the image itself. Now I can get the move tool and I can drag that image up, but I can also keep dragging up as much as I want. Now similarly, the bottom image could be a little more pleasing, so I'm going to move that as well. But because the background image is locked, in the layers panel you see a lock, we need to unlock it. To unlock the background layer, you just double click the type that says background and rename it. Now I can get the move tool, highlight the background layer, and move this image downward. And there we have it. Very easy, but very powerful at the same time.